Good morning. This is Dr. Susan Mara with Dr. Mara's Medical Minutes. Welcome. And today we're going to talk about the role that animals play in your healing journey. I happen to be a big fan of animals. I've always had dogs, and for the most part, I've had them in my office as well. And most of my patients love that. They are therapy dogs, and they are welcoming, and they're empathic, and they're very present, and they take the focus sort of off of your ailments and on to them, at least for a few seconds or minutes. And I find them to be tremendously helpful in in the healing journey. As a matter of fact, I would like to introduce you to Juju. This is Juliet Pearl, and she is a 10-week-old French bulldog. Because I just recently lost my French bulldog, Charlotte, to complications of COVID. So I got a new little one, and she's just learning how to be an office dog, and she's learning how to get potty trained. And the feeling of reward that I get when I see my dog interact with my patients and interact with other people and bring them joy and give them comfort is something that's very dear to me. And I've had a dog in my office for 20 years. Most of my patients love it, and I think that it cultivates empathy, but I think it also calms the brain down. It lessens anxiety, just petting them and talking to them. It lessens anxiety. I think it significantly helps with depression, especially in the winter months here in the Pacific Northwest when it gets gray and dark and cold. I think it's really helpful to have an animal. They force you to go outside and take a walk with them. And I mean, look at that face. That face is just too priceless, right? Juju, come on, look at you, look in them, look here, there, come on, there you go. So it doesn't matter if it's a bunny rabbit or a salamander, or some people even have snakes, or a cat, or a puppy. They serve a very significant role in healing your emotional being. And I encourage people to, you can rescue a pet, you can purchase a pet, and it doesn't have to be a warm and fuzzy. It could be, a frog. But something that you can take care of and that brings you joy and that takes the focus off of sort of all the problems and puts the focus on a genuine, pure, innocent being that just wants love and affection and treats and feeding and sleepy time. So I hope that you enjoy animals as much as I do. I hope you enjoy Juju when you come to my office, because she will certainly be here. She's in training to be a therapy dog. So we work all the time at getting her used to the way things run here, and in a year she'll be great. So I hope that you find this video useful, and I hope you have a wonderful day.